Here we are at a junkyard, auctioning off everything. Timmy got this. There's a manual transmission, Dodge Charger, I guess is what it's called. Oh, Challenger, my bad. 1979 Challenger. Gonna put a 350 in it, I guess. They've been selling tons of stuff here. This truck's been here so long, the tree grew through it. Right through the front bumper. So the ramps are pretty steep. So Timmy thinks that's a good idea. So I'm just gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna record it. Because I think something bad's gonna happen.
Oh, that's clutching.
Put it in neutral and try to push it a little bit. Just get in it if it starts rolling.
If it starts rolling, I am getting in the fucking thing. There's not a good point to push it.
It's going. You already just moved like 2 inches. You got it.
Help me.
Oh my god. Tire's stuck on the chain over here, I think. Yeah, it's that tire. It's being stuck on the chain and it's difficult. Here we go. No power steering. There goes. Your brakes work? Truck. It is pulling the entire truck. One more try. One more good one. No.
It's coming off.
It's pulling my truck down the driveway.
Original bumper.
That's what it did when we were trying to put it on.
No, it took the bumper. Not even the hook.
Yeah, you'd be alright though. You can bend that back. It's not like it took it off, just bent it. Literally dragged my truck like 1.5 feet. Well, it's off.
You can jack it up and try to get air in tires.
Yeah. It's off now, so. So I guess Timmy put the frigging rope on the rear tie rod of the car. So that bent severely. So the wheel's a little in now. I think it's gonna crab walk. Well, we gave it a quick little clean. It's still not perfect, but I mean, it was black before. As you can see, the trunk still got a bunch on it. The hood still got some on it. The roof still got some on it. Bumper got bent a little. We're gonna fix that. But way cleaner. The windows were black, so I razor scraped them, so the windows look nice. Just gonna try to see if we can hook power to it, see if any of the lights work, and see if the motor turns over or not. Wait, did you just... Okay. Try to do your high beams or something. Yeah. All right, you got high beam and low beam on the driver's side, not the passenger side.
My blinkers don't work either.
Why? The thing just doesn't work?
I don't know.
The switch? Because your parking lights are on the front. Let's see the backs. Your tail lights are on the back, and your brake lights work. So what is that, your blinkers?
My radio doesn't work either. But that just might be because the jump pack's too dead.
Probably. The jump pack is like severely dead.
That's high.
Oh no! Now you turned them on high, now the other one don't work. It's just a little tired because it turned on high. Do the horn again. Yeah. That's, oh, it's down there. Making noises. Oh, look, your freaking inside door lights work.
Yeah, fucking...
Look at that. You got your time. It says door open. What is this? I think that bulb's just dead. I don't know what that is, though.
That's the spot lamp.
Oh, that's cool. Let's see if that works. I pushed it in already.
I have a brake light on.
Yes. What is that? Defrost? Rear defrost? Oh, your defrost works. That's cool.
My blinkers don't, though.
Probably a fuse. If neither of them work, probably a fuse. Is it hot? Touch it.
No!